Let me ask you a quick question. How much money does your business lose every time your computers go down? Most businesses don't think about IT until something breaks. The internet drops, the server crashes, email stops working. And suddenly, employees are standing around waiting instead of working. 1 hour of downtime doesn't just frustrate your team, it costs real revenue. Missed customer calls, delayed orders, lost productivity. Technology problems don't just slow a business down, they stop it. That's where Secure Tech Group comes in. Instead of fixing problems after they happen, we monitor your system 24/7, prevent failures before they start, and keep your business running without interruption. Our job is simple. Your technology should work so smoothly you never have to think about it. If downtime is costing your business time, money, or you sleep, let's talk. Because the best IT support is the kind you never notice. Check us out at www.securetechgrp.com or give us a call at 888-611-4132.